Hi, my name's Billy with YourNewDoor.com, and are you tired of that old, ugly builder's grade multi-panel grid back door you have where the dogs jump on it and tear up the grids and keep all the glass dirty? Well, if you are, I've got a great solution for you. There's several different types of glass that you can have in your back door. Most of us have the same, general back door, full glass, or maybe even a double door with full glass, just the builder's grade stuff that we all got when the builders made our houses. Back then, when your house was built, that was the cheapest thing that the builders could buy in bulk, and they were all the same, and it was easy for the builders to do. What we like to do is upgrade people to the mini blind glass. It's enclosed mini blinds inside the glass, between two panes of glass. It's much easier to keep one surface clean than it is, 15 individual panes. And the other cool piece is these are inside the glass. You can open and close them, raise and lower them. And if anything ever goes wrong, which occasionally the strings will come loose or break inside the glass, it's real easy. We can just come out and remove these screws, take out the old glass, put in a new glass, and you're good to go. In certain cases, we can also replace just the glass in the door you have now. If you wanted to upgrade to a mini blind glass, your doors are fine. A lot of times we can just come out, remove the glass that's in there, replace it with a new one. No big mess. So if that sounds like something that would increase the value of your home, give us a call. My name's Billy Klein. I'm with YourNewDoor.com. If you like this type of content, please click like and subscribe.